Hello everyone and welcome back to Quick Helper. Today, let me show you how to change your profile picture on Discord. So let's get started. First, go to the bottom left of Discord and click on the user settings button. Then navigate to My Account, located on the left, and click on Edit User Profile on the right. Scroll down to see a preview of your profile picture. Click on it, and then select Change Avatar. If you want to use a GIF or GIF, you will need this coordinate row. Otherwise, click on Upload Image and your File Explorer will open. Find a photo you wish to use, click on it, and then click on Open. You can then choose the crop and position of the image. Once you're happy with it, click on Apply in the bottom right. Finally, don't forget to click on Save Changes to apply it. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.